Here is our math that we're going to do today. So you can see that this says which snake is the longest. However, you can answer that question. We're going to use this paper for something else. We're actually going to use it to measure with some things that we have at home. Now, if you do not have this paper, it is okay. You can draw a few snakes in your journal so that you have something to measure. I have looked through my house, and here at home I have found some little paper clips. Notice they're all the same size paper clips. I have searched through my bank and found some pennies. And then in my pantry, I found some beans. Now, you don't have to have all three of these things. You can just choose one thing. So if you want to use all pennies for this activity, that is fine. Or all paper clips, you can do that. So I'm going to show you how each one of these work because I have all three of them. Okay, as I said, you do not have to use three different things. You can use one. So if you have paper clips, I'm going to use my paper clips. I'm going to get a few of them out. I'm going to measure this snake here on the bottom. And I'm going to be sure that I start at the very tip of the snake, his tail. And I'm going to put my paper clips end to end, making sure that they touch like this. And I'm going to go all the way down here to the snake's head. I'm going to keep going. I'm not quite there. Those paper clips are stuck together. Oops. Okay, it looks like maybe I need some more, don't I? So, oh, look. I got all the way to his head. So, look. I have all these paper clips. They're touching. Oh, hang on. Let me move that one. It's a little overlapping. Make sure they're touching. Okay, so I want to make sure that they're touching end to end. Put them across here and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and about a half. 5.5 paper clips is how long this snake is. 5.5 paper clips. All right. So you can write 5.5 paper clips on your paper, or depending on what you use to measure that with, maybe it was pennies, you can write the number over here or down below the snake, how many of them it took you. All right, now I'm going to do this snake here in the middle. So there's the bottom snake, we already measured it. I'm going to start up here and use my pennies. Now, boys and girls, this is what we call non-standard measurement. So people don't usually measure things with paper clips or with pennies. We usually use rulers, or we use some other measuring tool to do our measuring. But so these are non-standard measurement, and we're going to see how long this snake is with our non-standard measurement. And we're going to use pennies starting at the end, just like the other snake. Put them side by side all the way down here to my snake's head. Okay, kind of scooting on me. I think I pushed him a little too hard. Okay. Oh, looks like I need one more penny, doesn't it? Let's see how many pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 pennies is how long this snake is. 6.5 pennies. All right, so I'm going to put my 6.5 here, or you can have your parents write it for you. You be sure to count them, though. Counting one number for each penny. Okay, our last one, I'm going to use these. These are actually black beans. I don't know that everybody has black beans, but if you have beans or pasta or, you know, something like that, you can use to measure. Just be sure that they're all the same thing. I'm going to start here at the tip of his tail. I'm going to measure my snake all the way to his head. I'm going to go all the way down. Oh, kind of wobbly. My beans are a little wobbly. All the way down. Want to be sure I get all of his body. Still, oh, see, those beans are very unruly. I keep going with my beans. All the way down. Oh, I'm still not there. Oh, maybe another bean or two, do you think? Let's see. You get my beans back. Hey, Mr. Bean. Okay. Oh, just one. Okay, so now we're going to practice counting the beans, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That snake is 10 black beans long. All right, boys and girls, you have fun counting with our non-standard measurement, checking to see. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see what items you use for measuring your snakes.